Hello, everyone. I'm James Awojobi. I have close to 20 years experience in sales and business strategy, in facilitation of records and information management, in information management generally. But after a while, I realized that it was necessary for me to really evolve because we now are in a world where things are evolving. So from COVID, when COVID happened and things began to transform into the tech space and the digital, it was important for me to introspectively look inwards and then decide it was time to evolve myself into the tech space. Fortunately, as I was thinking of how to get this done, I stumbled on an interesting video by a former colleague where I'd worked. And in that video, this young man gave credit to LEARNTOR. This is how my journey into digital and tech, this was how it began. And so I quickly followed LEARNTOR everywhere, signed up, followed them on LinkedIn, followed everywhere I could see LEARNTOR. It was quite an amazing discovery. I realized that LEARNTOR is actually passionate about spreading the knowledge of tech and digital and giving everyone in Nigeria that platform to become a global player in tech and digital. Little did I know that behind LEARNTOR is a powerful woman, Mercy George-Igbafe. I immediately fell in love in terms of tech and digital with what she was doing. She's got so much passion and drive, and that has been my motivation. She remains my mentor in this space, and she's so passionate talking digital, teaching tech, driving everyone in the Agile space, ensuring that Nigerians, especially women, are not left behind in this transformation, in the digital transformation space and in the journey to tech. I'm here to tell you today that in addition to all of my 20 years experience, and I've been passionate about facilitation and adding value to people, I have now found a new career path that would leverage all my experience for 20 years and evolve me into a better person, and I'm ready to take on the future. I just finished a program in business analysis called LEARNTOR, as well as data analytics. Now, I am an Agile enthusiast. As a matter of fact, I am a Scrum Master, and now I am a data analyst. I went through the LEARNTOR's data analytics program, a short course, highly interactive, hands-on, simple to understand, and it knocked off all the fears about data analysis. Now, I can add on the knowledge. I can leverage this experience into what I do today, which is records and information management. Today, I will show you how LEARNTOR has turned me into a data analyst. Please join me on this journey. So, data analytics. Data analytics is now part of me as I long to help Nigerians, businesses, as well as organizations review and reveal critical information about the data they generate every day. Going through LEARNTOR's data analytics program exposed my mind to PowerBI. PowerBI is an analytic tool that helps you to visualize data, not just visualize data. It helps you to review data, visualize, transform that data, and load it on with visualization tools that makes reporting and data analysis really simple to stakeholders and those who need this information. Today, as a data analyst, I'm able to share with you some data sets that I've extracted, that I've transformed, and I've loaded them with the aid of the Power BI. So in a few moments, I will be talking through simple tools and simple things I've gained in the data analytics class and how I'm ready to help you out there to review your data and give more value to your business. As a matter of fact, ensure that your business is now transformed into value-driven positions and you're able to compete with everyone within your space. All right, so I've been able to take the data sets that I have been given by my client, and this data set really talks about their sales, the sort of profit they've made from the sales, the different categories of what it is they sell. And I've been able to, like I said, I extracted this data set, I cleaned it up in a little way to make sense to my clients and of course to anyone out there who's able to review this information. And having done that, I've come up with a few information for my client. Please note that I'm not able to reveal all about this because I'm using a client's data, but I will just take you through for you to have an understanding of what data analytics is all about and how interesting it is to transform your business into the next level. All right, so with my data, first, I will be showing you that I have looked at the various channels that I've looked at the various channels that the client provides the service. They provide the service through several channels, so to speak. And I understand from the data set that there are several channels they do this. They're able to sell their products using several channels. I have recognized about 4 channels altogether. And if you see what I have on my screen, it is to my left, and I will show you in a moment. Let me just open that up a bit so you can see. All right, so there are 4 channels. The catalog, people who buy from the catalog or using the catalog, and those who buy online, strictly online, they go online and they're able to buy. I have those who buy through the resellers and those who go directly to the stores to buy. Looking through that data set and being able to clean and do all the necessary things for me to get the right information, it appears to me from the information I have that the online is really not doing well. Selling through the online channel as it is right now isn't doing well compared to store. However, am I able to really conclude that that's the position? Maybe we should hold on a bit and see. Maybe in some instances, the store might do well, whether if we consider some products and maybe some states, or we consider certain products. But from what we see from this particular analysis, clearly in terms of count of profit, and please take note, count of profit, most of the profit comes from those who buy directly from the store, all right? Having said that, I decided also to take a look at another critical information that might help my client or my customer review their business better. And I looked at the different states. I looked at the states. I looked at the profit from each of the states, and I looked at the population of the states. Now, note, for me to look at the population, my client did not actually give me the population, but as a data analyst, I took it upon myself using PowerBI to extract population numbers from the website. And this is one beautiful thing you will learn from LEARNTOR. When you join LEARNTOR, it's a hands-on process that helps you to go beyond what you see and think differently whilst applying yourself in your daily work. Like I said, LEARNTOR is your plug for digital transformation, Agile, name it, and they give that to you with ease and at the cheapest rate you can get anywhere in the world. Of course, leveraging global partners as well, global partners, global leaders who have done a lot in the tech and digital space. Now let's come back to our analysis of this data set. So using Power BI, like I said, I was able to extract population from the website, particularly, talking about Wikipedia, using the URL, and I bring that data set into this, and I linked that information with the data set I received from my clients. Now, I was able to then come up with the population size of the different states and the region as well, where my client makes their sell or sell the goods and sell all that it is they sell. So I have all the states in Nigeria. I have the profit generated by those states and the population of the state. Now, what can we make out of this information? It helps my client to see easily. Of course, I can use different visualization tools to achieve this. It makes my client see easily how the performance of each state in terms of the profit it generates against the population. Now, it could also show how that each state and the population is reacting to the particular products they're selling, and it gives them an idea of what to do in a particular region, for instance. So it also gives them more, in-depth knowledge about pair comparison among the states. So if Ebonyi, for instance, has got 2 million people and is able to make a profit of 7 million over the period, as against Kwara that has got a population of 3 million people and has been able to make a profit of 4 million. Comparatively, Kwara seem to be doing better, or they're doing better in Kwara than in Ebonyi, because the population in Ebonyi is still not really embracing all of the products that they've had to sell. Just a portion of that population is really buying. So a number of things we can say here. Let me not bore you. Let me move quickly to some interesting parts of the analysis I've done as I wrap up, and I invite you to join me in my next class with LEARNTOR. Of course, not on data analytics, because I'm now a professional. You can join us in the next class of data analytics. But see, here, what I've done simply is to show the total profit by the state. And without boring my customers or my clients with numbers, I've decided to express that using a map. Again, you can use the visualization tool in Power BI to achieve this. How do you do so? Go to LEARNTOR and sign. Go to LEARNTOR on LinkedIn, find LEARNTOR on your web browser, type LEARNTOR. You will be able to follow LEARNTOR everywhere. With this viewpoint, I think I've been able to share with you my new experience. Of course, I'm now big in this space and I'm ready to go global with everyone using my data analytics skill. Thank you. Join me as we learn more with LEARNTOR.
Thank you so much, James. Thank you.